Today I'm going to install some of our post hole covers. I'll show you the different solutions we have for pass-through fittings on an intermediate post, and also how to use them on a stair run. I'm Andrew Jeffries with Cable Bullet. Let's get into it. Both our standard and deluxe post hole covers are pass-through fittings designed to give your railing a clean, finished look. They look like our tensioners, but don't actually provide any tension. You would use these on any wood or sleeved intermediate post where your cables are just passing through. The main differences between the two come down to aesthetics and the way they're installed. The standard post hole cover has a simpler, low-profile look and is secured with a set screw. The deluxe post hole cover looks exactly like one of our tensioners and threads into the same size of hole. Like our tensioners, they're made from the same T316 stainless steel and are made here in the USA. They can also be installed on both level and stair runs. Let's look at that installation process now. To install our standard post hole covers, drill a 3/16 inch pass-through hole through both sides of your intermediate post. If you need help centering your holes, check out our drill guide through the link in the top right corner of this video. Once your holes are drilled, center the post hole cover, orient the set screw to your desired location, and drill a 3/32 inch pilot hole if necessary. Finally, drive in the set screw with a T10 star drive bit by hand, which we have available at cablebullet.com. If you're having trouble centering your post hole cover, you can use a 3/16 inch bit or a piece of cable to help with that. When driving this screw in, you don't want to go too far, otherwise the post hole cover will sit out at an angle. Just go far enough that it sits flush with the face of your post. Make sure to install your post hole covers before running your cables through. To install our deluxe post hole covers, follow the same process of drilling a 3/16 inch pass-through hole on both sides of your post. Next, take a 9/16 inch bit, center it on the pass-through hole, and drill down 1/4 inch. With your holes drilled, install your deluxe post hole covers with a bullet driver and either a drill or a socket wrench. If you're installing in a sleeved post, make sure to not over-tighten to avoid damaging your sleeve. As I mentioned before, both of these post hole covers are compatible with stair runs. The standard post hole cover just sits on top of the hole, securing it nicely in place. The deluxe post hole cover has a groove in the threading that allows cables to pass through at an angle. When installing these on stairs, you just need to make sure that both ends are oriented in the corresponding direction. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this. Let us know if you have any questions about using our post hole covers in the comments below, and to get assistance on your project, give us a call or visit us at cablebullet.com.